Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ankita and today I'm going to create this very fresh and glowy summer makeup look. It's perfect for day as well as night. You can easily create this look using few basic products. I have already moisturized and primed my face, and for foundation I'm using Maybelline Superstay foundation, which is full coverage, and blending it nicely all over my face using a foundation brush. Next, I'm using a slight shimmery dark coffee eyeshadow from the Givenchy palette and applying it from the outer corner of eyelids and blending it inwards. For the inner area of my eyelids, I am applying a very shimmery champagne shade from the same palette and taking it outwards. After this, I am taking a clean blending brush and blending the two shades together. Now to line the eyes, I am using the MAC eyeliner and creating a thin line and a small wing. Now I am again taking the same shimmery dark coffee eyeshadow and applying it to my lower lash line, smudging it slightly. With the help of a thin brush, I am applying the same shimmery champagne eyeshadow which I used earlier to the inner corner of the eyes. This is a great trick to immediately pop up the eyes. My eyelashes, I'm using Bad Girl Bang Mascara by Benefit. It's great if you're looking for a good high-end brand mascara. It's worth every penny. I'm applying it to my upper and lower lashes. I'm also applying falsies to give that extra volume and length. Now since it's a very summery look, I'm using Color Bar contouring powder to get that bronzed look. I'm applying it below my cheekbones, blending it all the way to the hairline. I'm also applying it to my jawline. I am also adding some on my forehead to get that sun-kissed look. Now I'm also contouring my nose with the help of thin brush and blending it. Okay, so now I'm using Makeup Revolution banana powder to set the makeup. It also helps in controlling shine and oil and gives a flawless finish and makes the makeup last longer. I'm dabbing a generous amount, focusing on the areas where it tends to get oily and shiny, like cheeks and towards the jawline, as well as forehead. With the help of a powder brush and brushing off the excess. Now it's time to add some glow. For that I'm using Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate Highlighter. With the help of a fan brush, I'm applying it over the bridge of the nose, the cheeks, I'm applying it to my chin and forehead as well. Add some color to my cheeks. I'm applying some blush. Now coming on to the lips, which I have already lined with the lip liner, and to fill in I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Color Riche Matte Lipstick in the shade Rose Nuance. It's a very pinkish nude shade, perfect for summers. And that's it for this look, all glowy and fresh. I hope you liked it. I would like to thank all those who have subscribed to my channel. It means a lot to me. And if you still haven't, please subscribe for more such videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss my next video. Right, take care you all, stay safe, see you in my next one. Bye.